Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to design posters in Fotor. Posters are a powerful way to communicate messages, promote events or showcase creativity, whether it is for social media, schools or marketing. A well-designed poster can instantly grab attention, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to design professional looking posters using Fotor, a simple and beginner friendly design tool. So open to your Fotor app, simply tap and edit here, and simply tap on one of the photos and it will automatically come into your timeline as well. And over here you can add your filters, adjustments, magic eraser. You can also enhance your photo as well, and over here you can also insert any of the text overlays if you want to, simply by tapping on the text here. And you can select your font and tap it over here and type down it and tap down the check mark beside it, and over here that is it. You can also apply the effects and the final touches, and after that you can download your poster in the top by tapping on the save, and that is it. It will automatically save it in your gallery. And designing posters in Fotor is simple and effective even for the beginners with the right layout, colors and text. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.